Hello. Today we're going to be making cup noodles. Like one of these with beef, like the original beef. So what you're gonna need? You're gonna need an electric kettle. You're gonna need some water, and you're gonna need some soup. I call it soup. I know it's noodles. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna take the water, put it up there, like this. You're gonna sit there. Hopefully not fall out. Oh shit. Fuck. Shit. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press the button. Now this part is very hard. Now it's challenging for a few people, but you can probably make it through it. You just now while you wait, you can do all sorts of things. You can You can open the soup. Put this up here. Down there. Soup. You can do shit, I guess. Well, this is interesting. Okay, just gonna wait for it to cool down. Take a look. Okay, I need 2 hands for this. See. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a fork or something, you're gonna put it there so it stays closed. Then you wait for an additional 3 minutes. You don't need the extra water in the kettle. You can just pour it out. All the steam. Here. Okay. Now. And then. Yeah, I think it's that. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna peel off this, okay? Peel off this, just like that. Just like this, And then you're gonna stir it with the fork or spoon or whatever the fuck you wanna do with it. You just need to stir it because you don't wanna eat just the top of it noodles and the bottom of it soup with vegetables. Of course, there's dried meat in it, so this is not vegan, but I don't give a fuck. And there you have it. You're good to go. You can eat this. Hey. Shit. Shit's hot. Yep, you can eat this. So they're like cheap. They're cheap. I'm not really sure how much they cost right now at the local grocery store, but they're cheap. Well, yeah.